Hi guys, this is the unboxing and review of the voice amplifier from Maono, a premium and reliable brand on microphone, headphone, speaker and other electro-acoustic product. The model number is AU C01. If you are a teacher or tour guide or any other professional, those who have to control and manage a group of people efficiently and effortlessly, then this video is only for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The highlighted features of the products are high power speaker, USB drive, auxiliary input, radio reception, large capacity battery, audio amplification, no screaming noise and tape card readable. The back side of the box pack, the purpose of using this product is written for conference, for trade show demonstrator, for tour guide, for teacher, for dance, for outdoor activity, for exercise and many more. The product specification is also written here, the brand name Maono, the model number AU C01 black and the price of the product is written here 2999, but I have got this product only at 1600 rupees. Color variants of the products are red, black, blue and white, but red and black is only available in the e-commerce site. Now let's open the box pack to get the product. This is the high quality omnidirectional microphone with headband. Voice amplifier, we will get back to this within a few moments. This is the microphone cover. Waistband for keeping the product at the waist region. This is the USB to micro USB cable for charging the product. Aux cable for using the voice amplifier as speaker. Both side contains 3.5mm jack. This is the user manual. If you want to know about this product, then go through this carefully. Now let's talk about the main unit, that is the voice amplifier. You can see this is the black in color. The top of the product, the brand name is written Maono, and you can see here the premium quality speaker grill is there. Right side of the voice amplifier, multifunctional switches are there. It contains the loop, forward, backward, play, pause and mode button. Now back of the amplifier, you can see here there is a clip for attaching the voice amplifier with the belt. And left side of the voice amplifier, the tape card reader and DC 5V input is there. Top of the voice amplifier, you can see here USB output of 5V. With this, you can also see here one on-off switch, aux input, 3.5mm microphone input, the LED display. For increasing and decreasing the sound of the voice amplifier, you have to rotate this knob. Portable antenna for better radio reception when you use this amplifier as radio. Let's switch on the product, just rotating the knob. You can see here this is the display showing here SP, that means the speaker mode. Display also indicate the remaining battery power. This is the mode button. On switching the mode button, it will enter the FM mode. You can see here for better radio reception, you have to unfold the portable antenna. But here my experience was not so good. Scanning manually for getting FM channels. But I have not got any channels with good radio reception. Now let's watch the microphone with headband. This is the 3.5mm jack you have to put here. And this contains 1.5mm long premium quality long lasting wire. You can also see here this is the headband with premium quality again, and this attached with the microphone with flexible and bendable support. Watch carefully. By this aux cable, you can use this voice amplifier as speaker or sound box. You can see here voice amplifier I have attached with the belt, and this is the mouthpiece I have attached in this way. So first of all, I will show you the difference in the voice samples. First of all, I will talk without this device, and next I will show you with this device, so that you can feel the difference in the amplifying voice. Different type of professionals like teacher, trainer and tour guide, they uses this device to control the group of people. So I am a teacher, so I have to control my classroom students. So this can be done very easily and effectively with this device. So now I will speak out with this device and you can feel the difference. Switching it on. Okay. So you have seen that I have switched on the Maono voice amplifier. By this voice amplifier, I will talk something and you can finally understand that what is the difference in the voice with this device and without this device. Overall, the quality and intensity of the sound is really loud, easily covers above 600 meters square, which is sufficient for classroom teaching. Build quality is no doubt premium, serve the purpose very well. But I have noticed poor radio reception. Maybe it's a local regional issue. Price is very aggressive and reasonable. So go for it without any hesitation. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and share my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.